Looking for a ride? Yoshino got you the best units. And from our selection, we got Mitsubishi RVR today. And it's a 2010 model, automatic transmission with 1.8cc. This car is stylish, well designed. For example, the front grille called the jet fighter. Also, it's got features that support excellent or perfect road performance, like the tire and the steel wheel. They are raised enough that makes it very comfortable, especially while cruising. Now let's take a brief look at the interior. The interior is plushy, well designed. As you can see, it's well built. It has a high quality fabrication. The adjustable features are well aligned, as you can see, and it's a 5-seating capacity, and it's got a good or enough cargo space. Additionally, this car is automatic, but also you can shift to manually if you like. And also it's got an advantage extra feature here. It's a steering shifter. You can use it especially while you're cruising, and also you can use this if you want change manually. In summary, this car is compact, reliable, and available in a very affordable price considering its nature. So in case you're interested, please contact us using our links on our pages or visit us at Yoshino-Trading Limited, located at Banda opposite Roofings Limited, Kampala Ginger Road. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye.